Welcome. In this video, I want to demo the new functionality available in the Snap add-on. The first thing you'll notice when we have a look at this object is that it has more than 4 snap points. On top of the traditional 4 snap points, we now have the option to configure any number of points. They are located in their own panel for backward compatibility, but they can be configured in the exact same way as the other points. You can add as many points as you like, and the operator panel at the top will change dynamically. If you add many points, the point definitions can be scrolled, and you can even filter and sort them based on their labels. Here we use default labels, but you can use more meaningful names if you like. Another new feature is tag-based snapping. As you can see, we can snap the pin object to any of the locations on the target object now, but it would make much more sense to restrict this to matching locations. This is indeed now possible when we enable the Match Tags option. Now we can only snap the pin object to appropriate locations. This is accomplished by defining tags on the snap points, and with those tags configured, only matching source and destination tags will allow snapping. A single snap point can have multiple, comma-separated tags defined. You can find all the details in the manual. This new edition also has some smaller new features. For example, normally when you snap an object to another object, it is moved into position and oriented, but nothing else. The objects are not connected in any way. So after the snap, you can move them around freely. With the new auto-parenting option, however, a point that is snapped in place is also parented to the target object, so will then move with the target after it's snapped in place. Another small feature that is sometimes convenient is to select neighboring objects if they have overlapping snap points. This works for any number of snapped objects and can even be applied recursively, so to neighbors that have snapped objects themselves. The final small feature added to this edition is sort of the reverse of object snapping. You can now move the 3D cursor to any of the snap points defined on the object, which can be convenient when you are editing a model that already has snap points defined, for example. That was all for this edition. Thank you for watching.